Just a quick one on how to install Jupyter Lab on your system. We use Jupyter Lab all through this tutorial series. If you want to install Jupyter Lab, first go to python.org. You go to python.org, and in python.org you just go to download. From download, you choose your operating system. If you have Windows and you choose Windows, then I have Windows on my system, and you choose the kind of system you have. I have 64-bit system. If you have 32-bit, you download the 32-bit installer. If I click download, this will download for me, and you have it in your download. You can open the file, and if you open the file, it will start to install. It's because I have Python in my system, that's why it's asking to modify. So if you don't have Python in your system, you will have to actually install it. When you finish installation, you can now go to your CMD, that is command line. Go to your search and type CMD, which is your command line. When you type in CMD and you get to your command line, this I have a folder in my system which has been created in my desktop. So I will navigate to that folder, OneDrive, and I will see the desktop. And in my desktop, I have the folder my project, cd my project, and in my project I have the folder intro, cd intro. So these are folder that I have already created in my system. Here I want to install the Jupyter Lab that will be using in this tutorial series. So this is Jupyter Lab. I will say p. If you want to install Jupyter Lab, just type pip Jupyter Lab. So because you have installed, first let's check if you have Python installed, Python version. So I have Python version. So if you have installed your Python, you can check the version or check to be sure that you have the Python installed. Then if you type pip Python dash dash version, you have the version there. Then you can now install Jupyter Lab. Pip install Jupyter Lab. So if you do that, it will, that install is not correct. Pip install Jupyter Lab. And if you do that, it will install Jupyter Lab on your system. I already have it, so it's installed again. And all you need to do after the installation is completed is just wait a bit. Let's complete the installation. So when the installation is completed, so if you finish the installation, let me clear the screen now, and you just type Jupyter Lab. Then you just type Jupyter Lab, then you have Jupyter Lab ready for your for writing your Python code. Here I have my folder. You can see my folder here, and if you want to start a new Python shell, a new Python file, just go to new and click new notebook, and you've installed your Jupyter Lab and ready to start coding in Python. So that's a quick one that I'm adding to the first day one video, so that for those who do not have who have problem in installing the Jupyter Lab, that's why I adding this video to the day one video.